this app pays you when you start uploading quality pictures. Welcome to the camp of scamper and hope you are doing great. Alright, so today we are going to look at an app that pays you whenever someone downloads your picture. Alright, so this app is called the Shutterstock Contributor. Shutterstock Contributor. So Shutterstock is also a big company as Google, and they pays you based on the downloads you get from their customers. So whenever someone download your picture on their platform, they are going to pay you. So this is very easy. Just download the app from Play Store. Okay, when downloading is done, go forward and launch the app. Alright, so get discovered, get paid, and we have get notified, get going. Alright, so this app, the exciting part is it works for all countries, and your payment is made through your bank account and also a PayPal account. So if your country is restricted for getting access to PayPal, then worry not, because you can receive your payment through your bank account. Alright, so let's get into it. All what you have to do is to just tap on sign up. Immediately you sign up, you tap on sign up, it is going to take you to the Chrome version, but worry not, you are still using the app. Alright, so you have to input your full name right here, but what to take note is that the full name must go with the name on your bank account. So the full name you are adding must go with the actual name on your bank account. So I'm going for a display name Scamper. So the M actually stands for mindset. Okay, all right, so when you are done, you just have to input your password, and you know password is privacy, so I'm done with mine. Don't share with anyone. Always make sure your display name is checked. All right, when you are done, just check this. I certify that I am 18 or older and agree to the website terms and policy privacy. You can just take your time, tap on it, and read the policy privacy and the website terms. It's also very important. Okay, all right, but always make sure it is checked before you can go or you can get access to it. All right, so let's tap on get started right after getting that done. So they are going to send an email into your email for you to confirm that email. Okay, so let's quickly go to my email and do the confirmation. So the Shutterstock contributors email is here. So it says almost there. Please click here to verify your details. So let me tap on it. Alright, so they are going to provide you with another page to enter your residential address. It's also very important. Okay, so we have the country. I said it's available for all countries, so I can just tap here and choose my country. Okay, all right, then you input your first address, your city, your postal code, and your phone number. Please start with your country code. So let's go with the plus. Okay, so I'm pausing this video and get this done within a moment, and we will continue from there. Alright, so I got that done and tap on submitted, and this is the page you are going to see right after tapping on submitted. The very moment you tap on submitted, you are going to see this page. I actually skipped that process because I can't just introduce my details, everything in public like that. So that was why exactly wrong. Please pardon me for that. Alright, so right after getting access to this dashboard like this, okay, and you get access to it, immediately you tap on submitted. All right, so this is the number of downloads, this is the number of earnings. So here you see unpaid earnings. So we have track your progress, right? So you see the uh impression how you are going. Okay, all right, so let me quickly explain this to you. If you come here, you are going to see your earnings. Okay, you are going to see your earnings. So the amount of money made from each picture uploaded. All right, so here too you see the download, or you are going to see the uploads, you are going to see the pending, you are going to see the reviewed. All right, so whenever you want to upload an image, you just come here, tap on this plus sign, or tap on start here. Okay, but if you tap on start here for the first time, the rest you have to tap on the plus sign. You can tap on this to just how do we even call it, refresh the page. Okay, all right, so this is how it actually works. Let me advise you on this. Whenever you are uploading an image, make sure that the image comes in a high quality, or comes with high quality. All right, so if you don't have a digital camera, all what you have to do is to get a good phone. Okay, is to get a good phone. So immediately they see that the image has no quality, or the quality of the image has reduced, they are not going to approve your image. Okay, all right, so on congregational service where taking pictures is allowed, you can do that. You can just take pictures from there, come here, upload them, and make money from it. Whenever you are walking and you see anything beautiful, I'm talking about nature now, sometimes how the sky will appear, Charlie, is so awesome. So all what you have to do is to take pictures of it, come here, upload them, start making money. Okay, all right, so these are some of the simplest way to make money as a youth, to make money online, to make money whoever you are, irrespective of your geographical location. Okay, now we are in a digital world where you sometimes necessarily don't have to wake up, go to work. You can sit in your comfort zone. You can add this to your side job, and I bet you are never going to regret taking this decision, just uploading pictures on Shutterstock. So all what you have to do now is to just hit on the subscribe button, turn on all notifications, like this video, comment I subscribed. You can also comment with your name. I will take my time and reply you in the comment section. Together we help ourselves, together we help make money online, together we do more online. I remain Scamper, and I'm out.